We have big plans for this project, something that's never done before. I'm not even sure that I can speak about some of those things.
Arcadia was founded for innovation and built for community, to pioneer augmented reality and inspire developers. In this series, we go behind the lens, unveil our creative process, and show you our best creations to date.
NYX approached us to make pro-level makeup more personalized for Gen Z, not just your typical try-on app, but really a beauty advisor.
We've talked a lot to different Gen Z groups.
They all really love using Snapchat to explore different versions of their personality.
We realized that there are a lot of things that we can bring through AR to make their beauty and makeup easier.
So we created a makeup AR companion called Beauty Bestie.
It seemed complicated from the beginning.
We were trying to build 5 different features inside one lens.
This is something that's never done before.
We wanted to be intentional with our design choices, so we explored a head tilt mechanism, which allowed people to really be hands-free. Iteration is the key to success here.
You try to build something, you see how it works, you get feedback, if you need to make pivot or you need to move forward with this approach.
We prototype really fast. Clients get so excited when they're able to see their concept become a reality. It was really special to see how it just took off.
Yes, yes.
This is so fierce.
And AI kind of came along and took over.
Here's how we're thinking about AI at Snap.
We see AI as a mechanism to bridge the gap between dreaming and building.
AI allowed us to create infinite variations to makeup looks that we wouldn't have the ability to do from scratch.
We are trying to understand how we can use the modern technologies, where you can see the response from the audience.
We learned on the back end that we really needed to provide detailed prompts in order to get a better output. As we trained the model, the first few attempts, we were kind of getting there, but by the 86th attempt, we were really making ground.
When you work on first-of-its-kind experiences, there is no blueprint.
If you're not using Gen AI, you're really missing out on the unlimited possibilities to elevate and transform your lenses.
The biggest takeaway, I would say, is never give up. Everything that we've seen around ourselves, it was a dream at some point, and right now it is a reality.